Good morning, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I'm going to make some pineapple upside down cupcakes. Very simple recipe. What you need a box of yellow cake mix, brown sugar, sliced pineapple, melted butter, and some cherries. And you do need to take your cake mix and fix your cake mix like it says on the back of the box. And this one happens to say a cup of water, half a cup of oil, and 3 eggs. But first I'm going to fix my melted butter. What you need is 6 tablespoons full of melted butter and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. We're going to mix that together. Brown sugar, and I've just melted the butter. So we're just going to mix this with the brown sugar. Okay, I've got that mixed up. We're just going to set it aside for just a second. Take my muffin pan and we're going to spread. I happen to have olive oil. You can have whatever you got, Pam, of anything. We're just going to spray that a little bit. Set that aside for a second, and we're going to fix our cake mix. Now you need a cup of water, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain my pineapple slices. Ooh, if I don't quit spelling. And we're going to use the pineapple juice in this. And then whatever we don't have, we will add water. So this is just sliced pineapple. And you need 3 eggs. This is when I wished I had a bigger counter. So we're just going to mix 3 eggs, a 1/3 cup of oil. I'm just using Crisco granola oil. I've got 3 eggs. I'm putting my oil in there. Let's get that a little bit blended. And I had half a cup of pineapple juice out of this can of pineapples. So then I'm going to go ahead and add water to get my cup full. And you can fix your batter, your cake batter, with a mixer or get it all blended in. I did get my mixer out, and I'm just going to make sure it's blended in real good. Okay, I've got my cake mix ready, so I'm going to set that aside. We've already sprayed our pan, so I'm going to put 1 tablespoonful into each cup. And we're sort of going to spread that around in the cup. Okay, I have my pineapple down in my brown sugar. And make sure you sort of mash it down in there so the brown sugar will come on up around your pineapple. And we're going to take a cherry and cut it in half and just put it right in the middle. Well, if I can. And turn it upside down now so that when you take it out, the round side will be on top. And after you do that pineapple and sugar, all you need to do now is put a put a spoonful of your cake mix in your muffin pan. Fill it like maybe 3/4 full. I'm going to cook these in my Ninja. That Ninja is just so much faster. There's a couple of these cupcakes I'm not putting the cherry in, and I will tell you why. I don't particularly care for cherries, so I'll have some that I like, and I'll give all the others away. Alright, I have my Ninja preheated at 350, and I'm going to cook these for about 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them. And in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and fix the other pan. And then I'll take these out and show you what we've got. I actually had enough cake mix to make some more. So I've got 24 little bitty cupcakes. And I put one little bitty piece of pineapple in each one. And a little of the sugar mixture of what I had left. And so I'm going to have some mini cupcakes too. Okay, the ingredients again is you need 6 tablespoons full of melted butter. You need 1/3 cup of brown sugar. I use the light. You can use the dark if you like. Pineapple slices. Depends on the size of your cupcake pan whether or not you need to slice your pineapple in half or pieces. If you don't have sliced pineapple, you can use crushed pineapple, you can use chunk pineapple, but I had sliced. And you need a cherry to go on the ones that you would like. Take yellow cake mix, and whatever the directions says is what you do. It says a cup of water, 1/2 cup of oil, and 3 eggs. But the only thing I changed about this is I took my pineapple juice, drained my pineapple, and put it in the cup and filled it. It was a little over 1/2 cup of juice in that, so I finished filling it up with water. And that's all the ingredients that you need, besides your muffin pan. Okay, I cooked these for 20 minutes, so what I'm going to do is let them cool for about 5-10 minutes, and then we're going to take them out. Turn them over, take them out. In the meantime, I'm going to cook my little mini ones. Okay, according to my directions, they've been cooling now for 10 minutes. And I'm supposed to just put them upside down on a sheet. And let's just see what happens. Would you believe they all came out except for one? And of course that one did not. Well, they actually look real good, real juicy. Let's cut into one of them and see. I'm going to take this one here that sort of did not come out of the pan right. Let's just see what it looks like on the inside. Oh yes, it is done. Very pineapple. I'm actually going to put a little Cool Whip on this one. Definitely something you would want to make for Christmas. Pineapple upside down cupcakes. I've just taken the mini ones out of the Ninja oven. We're going to let them cool, and we'll dump them over and put them with the rest. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Offer me your comments. Join my channel. Okay, I have one large one and 2 small ones in this bowl. It made 12 large ones and 24 small ones in the pans that I had. This one has a cherry in it, and I didn't put cherries in the 2 little ones. And again, this is Kay and Tom. join my channel. Come back to see me, offer your comments, and have a fantastic holiday.